Welcome to this unboxing video. I received two military rations from a friend. One is the French military ration and the other one is from the USA, also military ration. I'm going to unbox them and show everything what's inside of them. And let's start unboxing the French military ration, or MRE, meal ready to eat. You can pause the video if you want to read everything what is in here, and if you want to know the calories and those things, you can also pause the video. The French military has 14 menus for their military ration. The one I got is menu number 14. It's packaged in a cardboard box within a plastic bag. That I assume it is airtight because of the plastic bag and waterproof. This opens up here and here. Okay. I already like the fact that I'm seeing food. Like this one, this is breakfast. It is a muesli crispy chocolate breakfast. These are some biscuits, or kind of some crackers, biscuits kind of thing. There are three kinds in it. One is the salted one, there's the one with chocolate, and there is the one with different cereals. These are kind of snacks or something to eat in between, or eventually, or maybe together with the biscuits. There is a dark chocolate bar. There is a fruit bar. There is a cereal bar. There is, I think this is a jam that goes with the biscuits. There is a caffeine bar. There is a nougat, which is a French snack. This is a powder that goes into your water. It's an isotonic drink. This is something to smear or put onto your biscuits, made out of fish. Then there we have two main dishes. One of them is pork with ravioli, and the other one is some meat from a duck with quinoa. And this is a rice dessert, rice pudding. There is tea, there is coffee, there is chocolate milk. Then small extras are pepper and salt that you can put on your main dish. There is sugar that you can put with your drinks. Then every ration comes with a pack of and there is a heater with solid fuel. Those are used to heat up your main dish. So that was the French military ration. I kinda knew beforehand what was going to be in there because I looked up a lot of information about it before I got it. This one, the US military ration, is completely new to me. I have no idea what's going to be in there, except the beef strips in savory tomato sauce, because that's what it says. The package is airtight and waterproof. I took a look at everything and I'm starting to understand what everything is. So let's start out here. Maybe just a comment on this. It looks like there is less food overall in here than inside of the French military ration. Let's start out here. This is white wheat snack bread, and you will probably eat that together with either blackberry jam, peanut butter, or another one of blackberry jam. This is a teriyaki beef stick. I don't know if it's meant to be eaten with this bread or if you eat it in between as a snack. This is a tropical blend smoothie, fruit and vegetable blend juice smoothie powder. So when you add water and shake it, it will probably turn into a delicious smoothie drink. This, if I read it correctly, no, this is the main dish, the beef strips in savory tomato sauce. I expected everything to be dehydrated, but it is actually you don't actually have to add anything to it, just heat it up, because it is in fact not dehydrated. It's actually the dish similar to the tin cans of the French military ration, but simply the package is different. And this is chocolate pudding with protein. So this is the dessert. There is gum. There is one tiny package of salt. Then these things are not food, but they come with a ration. There are matches. This is a moist towelette, so moist tissue to kind of thing to clean your hands. This is a normal tissue. This is a spoon to eat your meal, and those two things go together, I assume, to heat the main dish. This is a heat pad. I don't know how to use this, but I'm going to make a guess. I think I have seen one video about a ration that has a heat pad. I think you put the water in here with the pad, and then you close it off, and then you use this cardboard piece thing to keep the heat pad very close to your main dish. But it's an uneducated guess, so don't take my word for it. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully I will have created my own MRE or military ration based upon the real ones. So thank you.